Hello guys, thanks for tuning in here with Trading for Everyone. In today's video I'm going to be showing you a futures trade I took in the morning in the NASDAQ. Well, first of all we can see here we have the NASDAQ 100 chart from the futures market. We can see, I'm going to put a longer time from here. We have the 5 minutes. Here we have the 5 minutes chart, and we can see that in the overnight session we have been bouncing between yesterday's range. So we have here yesterday's highs and yesterday lows, and also the overnight highs were almost exactly inside range. And I was seeing that price was going down all night, and then when it approaches the market open, we were right around this area. Okay, so like in the bottom of the channel. So I was looking to go up because if we don't see a clear break of this range and a continuation, I'm only going to trade following the direction of the market. Okay, so as we can see here, we have the market in the bottom area of the range, and market opens exactly around these candles here. Okay, so yeah, in this big candle is where market opened. I was looking, market went down and retested this low 3 times, so it was clearly a good support. And now I'm going to go on a little more on a time frame, lower time frame. Okay, so here we have the 500 ticks chart, and it was also showing us the same thing. We can see here it was going down to the range and like sticking to the resistance. Okay, we started to see a little bit of an uptrend, breaking these previous highs around market open. Okay, so market open right around, let's see, right around here, and we saw quite a big push, retracement, and another push to break these prior highs. Okay, so what I was looking forward to was a consolidation and another sign of an uptrend in order to enter and get to profit on that. Okay, so I like to trade in the here in the let's see, 22 range is what I would like to trade. Okay, like the 22 range is the candles are 22 ticks. Okay, so we're going to go to the morning, and here we have. Let's see, let's do this a little bit bigger. Okay, here we have. Okay, so we can see that market was starting to go on an uptrend. Okay, and around here price got rejected, went down, and then we had this little consolidation. I was trying to look if this consolidation was going to go down or if it was going to continue to the upside. Okay, so I set a stop order right around this area. If it break this area, I like to go on the up to continue with the trend, and I had the stop loss right around this area. In fact, I had it below this area. Okay, so it was around $250, $300 per contract was my stop loss. That's the risk I am capable of taking, that I am comfortable taking. Okay, when we see that price start going up, we see here that price went up, and well, it broke the previous candle. And when I saw that we didn't have a continuation, because here we broke the candle and came back, and then went up again and another red candle. And when I saw that, I was, well, let's see, I was going to close one contract, because my position was with 2 contracts. So I closed one of the contracts. Sorry, my cat is around here. I closed one of the contracts, and well, I moved the stop loss to break even. Okay, so that was a risk-free trade. I had 500 profit from the first contract, and on the second contract, I was having a risk-free trade. Okay, so I had a runner, and well, I just followed the market when it broke this previous high around here. I saw I put the stop loss around this area. Okay, and then it went up. Went down again, pushed again. I put the stop loss around this area around here. Went up again. I put the stop loss around this area, and on the retracement, I got out of the market. The market kicked me out of the trade with $800 profits approximately. So well, that's the trade I took on this morning. Only one trade with two contracts. Without doing live streams, I feel more secure about not having to talk about what I'm developing and my sentiment about the market. And well, I think that it was a really good trade. It was a really a clean uptrend. It was like consolidation. It's like if you enter here, or if you enter where I enter, it feels like it was a really good trade. I had a tight stop loss, and I gave the market the time it needed, and well, I'm really happy with the trade I took. Then we see that after I got out, price kept going down, so that's why I liked the trailing stop loss. And well, now we are continuing to see the market around this area. Another two times it got rejected from the resistance of the overnight lows and yesterday lows. So that's about that's about all I have to tell to you. Thanks for watching me. Please give me a like and subscribe to the channel if you like this type of content. And leave me a comment if you prefer live streams, if you prefer this kind of recap videos about trades, if you want any like educational video, if you have any questions or whatever. I can do videos telling you what my strategy kind of is, how to open an account, or whatever you feel like you need in order to improve your trading skills. Okay, thanks for all, and see you in the next video.